Now let's take a deeper look at the settings for a Tipo field. Make sure you're in the Develop menu and click Manage Typos to get into the edit mode of the student Tipo. Open the expanded view of the Name field, where you will see multiple tabs to control the field behaviour. A lot of the functionality required to model your application is under these tabs. Under the Basic tab, you can provide help text that will be displayed under the field when the user is filling the Create or Edit form. You will also see a Mark as Label field option. If enabled, value in this field will be used as the label when identifying the record, such as in the page title or in drop-downs when referred from other typos. For Student, let's set the name as the label field. In the page heading, along with Student ID, you will also see Student Name. It is student name that can uniquely identify the record, making it more meaningful than an ID. Click on Done to go back to the Student Edit screen and expand the Gender field. Now we're going to make the Gender field in the Student Tipo contain a fixed set of values. Choose the Data tab. If the field is an array with multiple values, turn on Allow Multiple Values. We don't need to do that for the Gender field. Enable drop-down to enter drop-down values Female, Male and Other. Don't forget to hit Enter after each value. If Allow Multiple Values is also enabled, app users can select multiple values in the drop-down. But we only want a single choice for gender, so we are not going to turn this on. You can also provide a default value for the drop-down in the Default Value section. Default value can also be used as a standalone setting. Now let's add a bit of style to our Tipo. Choose the Display tab. This tab includes the settings used to control the appearance of the field. The Read-Only option should be selected if the field needs to be read-only, i.e., you do not want to allow editing. You can also choose certain fields to be read-only in Create, but not in Edit, or vice versa. For example, if a user needs to create a field, but that field should never be modified, then you can turn on Read-Only in Edit. We are not going to use any of these for gender. Now choose the Styling tab. This tab includes the settings to apply CSS styling for the label and value. Let's select a predefined style from the drop-down menu for the gender label and add our own CSS for the gender value. Click Save and go back to the Home menu to see the effects of what we've done to the student Tipo. And you can see that gender is now dropped down with its own styling.